I'm Kate. I'm the head practitioner and naturopath at Kamalaya. The Radiant Bliss Female Health Programme was created for women who are looking for truly holistic care that supports women in all faculties of their health, mind, body and spirit. The Radiant Bliss Programme addresses a variety of health symptoms, including weight imbalance, mood fluctuations, painful or irregular menstrual cycle, sleep disturbances, and the mental fog that can often accompany hormonal imbalance. In a world overflowing with health information, this programme offers guidance that is both personal and practical. You can expect to leave with better energy levels, improved digestion, and an increased sense of purpose and clarity. This programme integrates ancient healing wisdom traditions with the latest insights in functional medicine, both of which have a lot to offer in terms of female health. The ancient wisdom traditions incorporated into this programme view womanhood as sacred, and this programme treats not only in the moment but has a strong educational component, encouraging women to be empowered as the experts of their own health and to implement this understanding long after their stay. Every woman's body tells a unique story, and it's essential that we take the time to truly listen. For this reason, this programme incorporates an online pre-arrival call. During this call, one of our naturopaths will take account of your health journey, your symptoms and your goals. We may also suggest functional testing prior to your arrival. This pre-arrival call allows us to personalise your programme before your arrival at Kamalaya. Once you arrive at Kamalaya, you will have a wellness consultation. Your naturopath will guide you through your body composition, provide personalised dietary recommendations, and provide you with a supplement protocol that's relevant for your needs. As with all programs at Kamalaya, we can personalise your schedule. So for example, if back pain is a barrier to exercise, we can incorporate physiotherapy sessions or sessions with our osteopathy team. The nutrition guidance and naturopathic lifestyle consultations provide the foundation for your journey. Your naturopath will help you to understand how lifestyle, routines and stress contribute to your hormonal well-being. You will also receive personalised nutritional guidance to help balance hormones, support stable energy levels and gentle detoxification. So what to expect on the Radiant Bliss Female Health Programme? During the first few days of the Radiant Bliss Female Health Programme, as the inflammation and tension leave the body, there's an emerging softness, stillness, clarity of mind and deepening connection to oneself. The Radiant Bliss Female Health Programme is designed to support women in all phases of life: fertile years, perimenopause and postmenopause. For example, it can support women with painful or irregular menstrual cycles, or women who are preparing their body to be in the best state possible for a healthy conception and pregnancy. It can also support women through the transition of perimenopause, where imbalances in sleep, weight, mood and energy often call for deeper support and understanding. For postmenopausal women, the focus often shifts towards building strength, muscle and resilience, whilst also embracing this phase as an opportunity to design a new chapter of life with clarity and vitality. Traditional Chinese medicine provides another foundational pillar of the Radiant Bliss Female Health Programme. During this consultation, your practitioner will read the pulse, read the tongue, and through this ancient diagnostic lens, information can be gleaned that is sometimes missed through a Western diagnostic model. The practitioner will also do treatment which could include acupuncture, cupping or moxibustion, depending on your needs. The functional medicine treatments in the programme will take place at our longevity house. The These include the hyperbaric oxygen therapy, which delivers oxygen deep into the cells and promotes cellular rejuvenation. IV therapy delivers antioxidants, vitamins, minerals into the bloodstream and will be personalised based on your needs. The abdomen is a vital centre for women, being the seat of digestion, reproduction and emotional energy. For this reason, we have 2 abdominal treatments in the Radiant Bliss Female Health Programme. The Qine Sang, coming from traditional Chinese medicine, stimulates the energy points deep in the abdominal cavity, and the Lana therapy from ancient traditional Thai medicine uses herbal paste and fire to circulate the energy within the abdomen and will be personalised based on ancient Thai pulse diagnosis. Movement is key to re-establishing balance to the female body. Yoga and Pilates strengthen and lengthen the muscles and support flexibility, core strength and posture. This is another way that we can personalise the programme for the guest. For example, women arriving stressed and burnt out, a deep, nourishing yin practice might be the most beneficial. Pranayama, the breathing arm of the ancient yogic sciences, is a tool that can help to balance the nervous system, increase digestive fire and balance the hemispheres of the brain. As you carry your breathing with you, it's a tool that you can use long after your stay at Kamalaya. This program also includes sessions with Kamalaya's life enhancement mentors. During these sessions, through compassionate dialogue and gentle guidance, you'll gain new perspective on life's transitions, your thoughts, beliefs, and how you care for yourself and others. Many guests describe these sessions as transformational, providing moments of insight that bring greater acceptance, clarity, and a sense of connection to oneself. At the end of their stay, guests often describe feeling lighter, with a renewed sense of confidence and a positive outlook, glowing skin, and deeper sleep. The Radiant Bliss program empowers women to embrace every stage of life with confidence and grace. The practices you learn here, from nutrition and movement to mindfulness and self-understanding, become tools to help you live a life of balanced, radiant health. The end of the program is also a beginning, a chance for you to integrate what you have learned into your daily life. The strength, knowledge and serenity you rediscover here form the basis of your next chapter of radiant living. See you soon at Kamalaya.